Subscribe now for honest reviews and exclusive deals.
Tired of nail clippings flying everywhere every time you trim your nails? Meet the newest anti-splash nail clipper, the perfect solution for clean, easy, and precise nail care. Its ultra-sharp stainless steel blades cut through thick, hard nails with very little effort, while the ergonomic long handle provides a comfortable grip and better control. The anti-splash design keeps nail clippings contained, so your room stays clean after every use. Made with premium stainless steel, this heavy-duty nail clipper is durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. It also includes a dual-sided nail file for smooth, perfectly finished nails. Whether it's for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, this is the ultimate nail clipper for every home. Order now and experience cleaner, easier, and more comfortable nail trimming today.
Say goodbye to stubborn blackheads and pimples with the German ultra-fine No. 5 Precision Tweezer, the beauty tool everyone is talking about. Designed with an ultra-fine precision tip, it grips even the smallest blackheads and impurities with incredible accuracy, making skincare easier and more effective. Perfect for acne removal, blackhead extraction, and delicate skincare, this professional quality tool gives you maximum control while helping minimize skin irritation. Made from durable, skin-safe materials with no harmful chemicals, it's lightweight, easy to carry, and ideal for both home use and beauty salons. Available in 3 stylish colors to match your preference. Get cleaner-looking skin with precision you can trust. Click Buy Now and upgrade your skincare routine today.
Want flawless makeup like a pro? Meet the Jessup 14-piece makeup brush set. This premium brush collection includes everything you need, from foundation and powder to contour, blush, eyeshadow, concealer, eyeliner, and blending brushes. Made with ultra-soft, 100% vegan synthetic bristles, these brushes feel gentle on your skin while delivering smooth, streak-free makeup application every time. Whether you're creating a natural everyday look or a bold, glam transformation, the precision-designed brushes help you blend effortlessly and achieve a flawless finish. Perfect for beginners, makeup lovers, and professional artists alike. Upgrade your beauty routine with the Jessup 14-piece makeup brush set. Struggling with stubborn warts on your hands or feet? The Blue Light Wart Removal Tool makes personal care easier than ever. Using advanced blue light technology, this device helps target warts without harsh chemicals or complicated treatments, making it a gentle option for everyday use. Its lightweight, ergonomic design is comfortable to hold, while the battery-powered operation lets you use it anytime, anywhere, no charging required. Built with durable materials for long-lasting performance, it's perfect for keeping in your home or taking with you on the go. Plus, enjoy amazing bundle offers when you buy more and save even bigger. Take the first step towards smoother, healthier-looking skin. Want cleaner, longer-lasting lash extensions? These 200-piece eyelash cleaning brushes are the beauty essential you need. Each ultra-soft micro brush is designed for precise cleaning, makeup removal, and lash extension maintenance without damaging delicate lashes. Perfect for applying or removing mascara, cleaning around lash extensions, and even grooming eyebrows with professional accuracy. The lightweight nylon handle provides a comfortable grip, while the soft brush tip is gentle on sensitive eyes and skin. Available in multiple vibrant colors and packs of 100 or 200 pieces, they're ideal for both beauty professionals and everyday makeup lovers. Keep your lashes clean, fresh, and flawless every day.